This Indonesian style fried rice is so jam-packed full of flavour, a little sweeter and spicier than your average bear. This is my version of Nasi Goreng. Okay, so all you guys that are familiar with my channel by now would know that I'm like fried rice obsessed and noodle obsessed and dumpling, all the good things. But I particularly love this style of fried rice, this Indonesian version, because it's just a really jam-packed full of flavour fried rice, which I just love. So let's get on to that. First of all the flavour that we need. And I'm just using some chicken thigh here, and I want to marinate that first of all. Now I want to add some sweet dark soy sauce, and in Indonesia that's called kecap manis. And this sweet dark soy sauce, this is what gives this fried rice its characteristic flavour. So that's what you're looking for when you're shopping for your soy sauce for this one. I'll just give that a mix. And now let's get all our chopping out of the way. So I want an onion for this one, and then a chili as well. So I'm using a fairly mild chili. This is a large red chili, and when I open it up you can see in here that I'm going to leave all the seeds and all the white part inside in there, but if you wanted to make it milder you could take out that little white strip. That's the part that's very spicy. Now the other thing I want to do is get my stir fry sauce all ready to go, and again I'm using that dark sweet soy sauce, quite a fair bit of that, and then just some regular soy sauce as well. So you'll be surprised, regular soy sauce is actually saltier than the dark soy sauce. The dark soy sauce adds sweetness rather than saltiness, that's why you need both. And then the last thing is I've got my rice ready here. So I generally like to use rice that I've made the day before, and I also have a video on my YouTube channel for how to make rice, especially for fried rice, if you are interested in checking that out as well. But we're ready to get frying, which is good because then we're nearly ready to eat. My favorite part. So I just want some oil in my hot wok here, my onion and chilies, and some garlic. Okay, now when I'm adding my protein, I like to make sure there's plenty of hot pan available for that meat to really start to sizzle. So I move everything to the side, and then I'm going to add in my chicken. Now spread that chicken out, because as I said, I really want some hot searing on the chicken rather than having it all clumped together and stewing. And you can see we've got some really beautiful colour on that chicken now, which is just perfect. And now I'm going to add in the other ingredient that I think really gives this dish a distinctive flavour, and that is shrimp paste. So I'm using a Thai shrimp paste because I'm here in Bangkok. Obviously, if you can get a hold of an Indonesian shrimp paste, that would be great. Now, shrimp paste is fairly funky, guys. It does have a funky smell. I would suggest not smelling it. Put it straight into your dish, and it kind of adds a saltiness and an umami flavour that you can't really detect as being that strong once the dish is actually finished. So do give it a try. Now I like to make sure that my shrimp paste will dissolve fairly evenly in here, so I'm going to move the ingredients out, add a little bit more oil, and then put that shrimp paste in and just try and dissolve it a little bit with my spoon here. Alright, I'm going to start mixing it through now. And now I'm going to go in with my rice and our sauce. Now you want to stir fry this until every single grain of rice is beautifully coated in that sauce and everything is well combined. Now this is looking amazing. I love this color. Look at that. Oh, so beautiful. Now one little secret trick that one of my Indonesian friends told me about was to add a little bit of a stock cube at the end, a little bit of extra flavor. Sprinkle that in and mix it through. Okay, so I'm just going to pile my fried rice out onto my plate. Now, as with a lot of Asian fried rices, it's not just about piling the fried rice in the dish, you've got to have some extra bits and pieces. So I'm going to go in with some cucumber and some tomato. And then this is a chili paste called sambal olik, and it is a little salty, a little spicy, and of course I love all things salty and spicy. So I'm going to serve that on the side. And then for me, it's got to be a crispy fried egg. If you want to know how to make this Asian style crispy fried egg, I do have a video on my YouTube channel that you can check out. And then one final thing, some crispy fried shallots. So there you go guys, my version of Indonesian Nasi Goreng. So much flavour. Yum. If you've got any comments or questions, pop them below, and if you enjoyed the video, why not hit that subscribe button plus the little bell one, and that way you'll get notified every time I release a new video. Thanks guys!